If you're looking for a Hostinger coupon code so you can get Hostinger hosting at a discount so you can begin in creating a website or blog, I'll be providing you with a Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout that will save you money. The Hostinger coupon code discount will get you up to 91% off Hostinger hosting plus a free domain name on select plans for annual plans. To get your Hostinger coupon code discount of up to 91% off, click the link below in the description. I provide the Hostinger promo codes right under the link. Depending on what plan you are selecting, the promo codes are there for each plan type. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link below in the description, it'll take you to the page you see here, which is the Hostinger homepage. You can click the Start Now button to get to the hosting plans, or scroll down and it'll be the next section on the Hostinger homepage. You will see the different plans you can choose from. The promo codes I've provided will save you more money than what you see here, showing as the discount. The single shared hosting plan is good if you only have one website and are only in need of one email account. With this plan, you won't receive a free domain name, but you will receive a domain at a discounted rate. Next, you will see the premium shared hosting plan. This plan is good if you have more than one website, as this supports unlimited websites and email accounts. It also comes with a free domain name for annual plans or a discounted domain price for the monthly option. Next, you will see the business shared hosting plan. This plan comes with unlimited websites and daily backups. It also comes with a free domain name for annual plans or a discounted domain price for the monthly option. The next plan you will see is the cloud hosting plan. The cloud hosting plan is good for sites that want faster speed and need more resources for their site. Once you choose a plan, click the Add to Cart button. For this video, I'm going to choose the single shared hosting plan. You will now be on the page where you can complete your order. Scroll down to the total section and you will see the Have a Coupon Code link. Click this. Enter the promo code I provided in the description depending on the plan you went with. I'll put in the promo code for the single shared hosting plan. Hit the purple plus icon. Scroll up and you will see the new discounted price showing for the terms. The hosting terms range from monthly, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. You will notice you will get the greater discount the farther out you purchase hosting for. Next, fill out the rest of the details like your email, payment information, and click the Submit Secure Payment button. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger coupon discount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my Hostinger coupon code discount. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.